Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to delete a file in Microsoft PowerPoint. If there are presentations we no longer need, removing them can help us stay organized and free up storage space. We will walk you through how to delete a PowerPoint file easily. Now let's get started. If we want to delete a sample PowerPoint file to free up space, the first thing we need to do is close all open PowerPoint files. Next, we just need to click Save. Here, we have two sample PowerPoint files. As we can see, these are .pox file types, which means they are PowerPoint files. To delete these two files, we just need to right-click on one and select Delete. As we can see, it is now in the recycle bin. If we want to permanently delete the files, we need to go to the recycle bin and locate the files. As we can see, both files are here. We just need to select both and then delete them permanently. Once we do this, it will permanently delete the files, freeing up storage space. That's it. We have successfully deleted the files. Our files are now more organized and easier to manage.